What's up, everyone? This is the Food Reviews Guide to Reviewed Foods. And it's your boy, the Food Review Guy. Now, today for this food, we are going to be reviewing Dairy Queen's new Blizzard. The best chocolate cake Blizzard. This is a medium-sized Blizzard, available at your nearest Dairy Queen for about $4. I don't know if it's the best chocolate cake, but I usually do trust Dairy Queen with my dessert products. So we're going to dig right in. Alright, so the thing about this Blizzard is, first couple scoops you don't really get much, just chocolate ice cream. But then when you get into like third scoop, you start to get the little chocolate bits, chocolate cake bits. That's where the flavor really comes. It's sweet, it's cold, I like it very much. Not the best chocolate cake I've ever had, but a close second, maybe third. Burst of flavor. I might have had some caramel. No caramel. Sorry for that. Still a very good ice cream. I'm just gonna have a couple more scoops of this. I'm gonna have y'all take a look. As you can see, chocolate ice cream with a lot of chocolate bits in there. Now there are some little white parts. I don't know what that is, but it tastes very good. You get these little chocolate cubes as well. Very chewy, but it's so good. Nice and sweet. There's these little white bits. I don't know what they are, but I love them. So altogether, I think I'll give this about 4.5 out of 5. Just because you don't really get a burst of flavor when you first have it. And yeah, so that's about it. If you liked this video, like. Didn't like it, dislike. If you want to comment something, comment, subscribe, share, but most importantly, have a good night, everyone. It's your boy, the Food Review Guy, signing off.